Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about classification of triangles. Here, what is triangle and what is sum of interior angles of a triangle and what is sum of exterior angles of a triangle. I did a previous video. The video link is given in the description. Watch that video so that you can understand what is triangle and what is sum of interior and exterior of a triangle. You can understand very clearly. Now let us go for classification of triangles. Here triangles are classified into two types. Triangles are classified into two types based on sides. Triangles are classified based on angles. Based on angles, also triangles are classified. Here triangles are classified based on sides, based on angles. Again, based on sides of the triangle, there are three different types of triangles. Here, based on the angles, also triangles are divided into three different types. Now let us see what are the different types of triangles based on the sides. What are the different types of triangles we will have in the based on the angles. Here, based on the sides, triangles are divided into three types, and they are, first of all, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Here, based on sides, triangles are divided into three types: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Based on angles, also again divided into three types. What are they? Acute angled triangle, acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle. Here, based on angles, three types of triangles are there: acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle. Now let us see what is scalene triangle, what is isosceles triangle, what is equilateral triangle, what is acute angle triangle, what is right angle triangle, what is obtuse angle triangle. Here, scalene triangle is a triangle which is having all sides of a triangle are unequal. All sides of triangles are unequal. Then such type of triangle is called as scalene triangle. For example, if you are having a triangle like this, let us take ABC is a triangle whose AB is 2, you think BC is 5 and this AC is 6 and this AC is 6. Here all sides are unequal. Here AB is 2 centimeters, here BC is 5 centimeters and AC is 6 centimeters. Here all the sides of the triangle are unequal. So then such type of triangle is called as scalene triangle. And here what is isosceles triangle means? Two sides of triangle are equal. Two sides of triangle are equal, then such type of triangle is known as isosceles triangle. For example, if you are having a triangle like this, let us take ABC. ABC is a triangle and in which two sides are equal. If you are having here 5, you will have here 5, you will have 6 here. Means two sides of the triangle are equal. Not only these two sides, they may be these two also equal, these two also equal. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then it is called as isosceles triangle. Now come to equilateral triangle. All sides of triangle are equal. If the all sides means triangle will have only 3 sides. 3 sides of the triangle are equal, then such type of triangle is called as equilateral triangle. If you are having a triangle ABC like this, here if you are having 2, here also you will have 2, here also 2, you will have 2. 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. All the sides of a triangle are equal, then such type of triangle is called as equilateral triangle. If two sides of a triangle are equal, that is called isosceles triangle. No side is equal. All are having different sides. Then such type of triangle is called as scalene triangle. Now let us go for acute angled triangle. Here, what is acute angled triangle means? Here, all the angles or less than 90 degrees, then such type of triangle is known as acute angled triangle. All the angles should be less than 90 degrees, but sum of all angles, again it should be 180. Always sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. How we will get 180 means, I did a proof in the last video. The video link is given in the description. You watch that video so that you can understand why sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Here all the angles are less than 90. Each and every angle of a triangle is less than 90. But if you add all the 3 angles, you will get 180 degrees. If you are having a triangle like this, A, B, C. Here angle A is 70 degrees, angle B is 60 degrees, angle C is 50 degrees. If we are having angle A 70, angle B 60, angle C 50 degrees respectively. Here 70, angle A is 70. 70 is less than 90. 60 is also less than 90. 50 is also less than 90. Each angle of a triangle should be less than 90. Then only we will call it as acute angle. And if you add all the angles, 70 plus 60, how much? 130. 130 plus 50, how much? 180. Means sum of all the angles is 180 and each angle is less than 90 degrees. So such type of triangle is called as acute angled triangle. Here come to right angle triangle. One of the angle of a triangle should be equal to 90 degrees. If one of the angle of a triangle is equal to 90 degrees, then such type of triangle is called as right angle triangle. For example, if you are having a triangle like this, one of the angles should be equal to 90. Here if you are having ABC triangle and here angle B is equal to 90. One angle should be 90. Then such type of triangle is called as right angle triangle. And here what is the sum of other 2 angles? If you add A and C, what you will get? You will get 90 degrees. One of the angle is 90. Sum of the other 2 if you add, you will get 90. But one of the angle is 90. If you add all the angles, definitely you should get 180 degrees. Then only it is a triangle. One of the angle is 90 is called right angle. All the angles should be less than 90 and sum of all the angles should be equal to 180. is called as acute angle triangle. Now come to obtuse angle triangle. One of the angle should be greater than 90. Should be greater than 90 degrees. One of the angles should be greater than 90 degrees. Means if you are having a triangle like this, A, B, C. One of the angle, if you are having a 120 degrees, one of the angle should be greater. Only one angle should be greater than 90. If you add the other two, if one of the angle is greater than 90, if you add the other two, what you will get? You will get less than 90 degrees. Why? Because A and C, if you add, you will get only 60 only. Why? Because 120 plus 60, how much? 180 we will get. So, if one of the angle is greater than 90, the sum of other two should be less than 90. If one of the angle is 90 degrees, sum of the other two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Here, one of the angle is less than 90, sum of other two should be greater than 90. If here 60 is there, 70 plus 50 how much? 130. One of the angle less than 90 means other two sum should be greater than 90. Here equal to 90, one of the angle is 90. The sum of the other two also 90. Here one of the angle is greater than 90. Means sum of other two should be less than 90. Here in this way the triangles are classified into 6 types. Here based on sides there are 3 types of triangles. Based on angles there are 3 types of angles. Here scalene triangle is a triangle with all sides unequal is called scalene triangle. Here 2 sides of a triangle are equal is called as isosceles triangle. All sides of the triangle are equal is called as a equilateral triangle. All the angles of a triangle is less than 90 is called as acute angled triangle. One of the angle is equal to 90 is called as right angle triangle. One of the angle is greater than 90 is called as obtuse angle triangle. But based on the angles, every triangle's sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degrees.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.